B-block. They put me on a soft foods diet. Said my teeth can't handle nothing hard no more. Funny, cause everything else about me is hard as fuck. I'm spooning out applesauce, planning out the robbery. My crew think I'm C9, bitch, that's my philosophy. Act dumb, move sharp, let the pigs keep guessing. 80 years of getting mine, I don't need a blessing. I needed a bag and a plan and a driver who don't ask questions. Francine fit the bill cause her memory's a whole misdirection. She forget where we been every night like it's a blessing. Can't snitch if you can't remember the lesson. I move the shit through the kitchen, through the church, through the bingo hall. Every Tuesday night, B7 means the shipments at the back door, y'all. Dog bar in my left hand, burner in my right, and I don't flinch. Yell bingo, and the whole room knows that Nanna didn't miss. And if you think that's a metaphor, bless your stupid fucking heart. I've been in and out of situations you can't fathom. Buried 3 husbands, planted roses right on top of them. Garden of the month, 6 years running, wanna know the secret? Calcium, baby, lots and lots of calcium. Soft foods, hard life, dirty money, clean night. Been a problem since 60 motherfucking 5. Soft foods, hard life, catch me if you fucking can. Old woman, cold hands, you don't wanna know the plan. Bitch just made of chicken shit and blood. I'm a pimp by blood, not relationship. I might do more moon sections than the Vatican, and I still make every Sunday service. Imagine that, bitch. Praise the Lord, then I sin. Walk the aisle, take communion, wipe my shin. Back in the blue by noon, and the trunk ain't empty. Francine driving 30 in a 60. Don't we never get a ticket, cause the sheriff owes me plenty. I said plenty, motherfucker. But we don't need to get into all that right now. Soft foods, hard life, dirty money, clean night. Been a problem since 60 motherfucking 5. Soft foods, hard life, catch me if you fucking can. Old woman, cold hands, you don't wanna know the plan. You wanna know the secret to 79 years in this game? Everybody underestimates the old woman. Cops, the feds, the competition, my own fucking family. And every single one of them handed me the keys while they were busy watching somebody else. I don't recline, I don't recline, I don't relax, I don't regret. I reload, reboot, and come back with the fucking threat. I've been the plug, the connect, the boss, to bring the muscle. Had the whole block moving off a landline in a hustle. Back when Bones had chords, I was wrapping up the game. Back when Tox had morals, nah, I'm playing, they was never shit. I played them up and wristed in the handshake, and a promise that I never could otherwise. But I know when, bitch, I know a lot. I know where the money went, I know what the body said. I know we get it against the money, getting who you ain't down to run me secret on the ground from 59. When that's a real weapon, out the pistol is the knowledge in the mouth. So go ahead, run your little mouth, post your lit. Dog food, D-block.